Hello, in this video we will discuss how we can transpose data from rows to column or column to rows or vice versa. You can see here is a small table, okay, where in first row name is there, name is there, then its age is there, then name, age. So this order is not, this data is not in a proper order. I will show you how we can transpose this data into columns. All the names here and the age are in into the rows. All the names are in one row and all the ages are in one row. Okay, let's start. So actually, I will use the find and replace option. It is very simple. Just you have to get some idea. In first cell here under the name, the name Ali will come here. Okay, and in here in this cell, his age 56 will come. Similarly, in the second cell here, the name Vakar will come and its age will come here. First of all, we will write the cell names of these two entries, these two names and their ages, and then we will Excel will we will use Excel to copy this pattern to other cells. Okay, name Ali. Click on it. You can see it is in column. It is in cell J5. Just type, put hash before that. Hash is used that we will use hash to replace with equal to sign. Okay, you can use any other symbol. Let's say you can use and as well, or you can use percentage, some percentage like this. So we will add the sign, we will use it to replace. So I will use hash. The cell name is J5. J5, it is the name Ali, it will come here. Its age will be on J6. Hash again J6. So first of all, we have to type manually for two entries, and later on we can do it quickly through Excel. Okay, second name is Vakar. Click on Vakar. Its cell name is J7. Right here hash J7, J7. Here its age is on J8, hash J8. By entering these four entries, Excel will understand the pattern. And when we'll expand it, drag it down to all the cells, so Excel will learn the pattern and will enter the cell names itself. You can see you have to select both the rows, all four cells. Okay, drag it down like this. Now you can see Excel itself learn and automatically put all the remaining cell names according to the pattern. Now what we will do using the find command, find and replace, we will replace this hash with equal to. Therefore, what will happen? The data which is the new command will be equal to sign J5. In J5 Ali is written, it will automatically come. So how you can do, press Control F, select this data, press Control F, this small window will appear. So on first tab it is find and second tab it is replace. Go to the replace. What to find? Find hash. Okay, I will make it little bigger so it is, I don't know it is visible to you or not. Okay, and then in the replace with equal to sign. What will happen? Excel will search all the hash symbols in this selection and will replace equal to. When we'll put equal to, let's say equal to J7, automatically value in the J7 will come here. Press replace all. You can see 22 replacements are done. So these are some extra values you can remove. Now complete data is shifted here. Ali age 56, and at the end Saad is age 30. It is there. Ahmad is age 35. These two, and they are Ahmad here. Noman is 18. Noman is 18. Actually, earlier I selected more cells, therefore it showed some garbage value, so that we can remove it. So like this, we move data, this scattered data into names into the in one column and ages into other column. Same way, I will show how we can move this data into rows. This name row and age rows again. Just enter the four cell references hash and name Ali is in J5 hash J5. Its age is in hash J6. Remember, hash is just to later on use for replacement, otherwise it has no use. Here hash, the name Vakar is in cell J7, and similarly the age of Vakar is in J8. Now we can select all these four cells and drag them on left hand side. Okay, till J11. You can see Excel itself learned the pattern and fill all remaining cells. This can be done very quickly. Only you have to fill first four cells manually to provide the pattern. Now what we'll do, select this data and press Ctrl F for find and replace. Ctrl F, small window will appear. Go to replace hash, find the hash and replace with equal to sign. Replace all. You can see all done. We made 12 replacements. Close. You can see data is moved from this table to this table in the rows. Okay, let's move on. We will learn one more trick, how we can transfer data from the column into rows. Here is another type of data which is little in better sequence. In the previous table, it was name and then age. So at least this data is in more organized way. Names are there and ages are there. We have three methods to convert that data into rows. Okay, so I will discuss all these three methods. First method is yeah, I will let's start with the first method. Same, the cell names we have to write here. The name Ali will come here. The cell name of Ali is J23. Again, use hash J23, and its age is, sorry, Ali name was I23, not J. I23, and its age is in the J23 cell hash. As I told you, hash is only used for replace function. We will use it for replace only. It has no other. You can use only other symbol. Now the second Vakar, its name is in I24, and its age is in J. Sorry. Uh, hash I24, and age of Vakar is J hash J24. Okay, its age is here in J24. Now select all these four cells and drag to the left. Automatically Excel will fill the names, same name pattern for you here. Press Ctrl F, this one, Ctrl F. Small window will appear, find and replace. Go to replace. Already hash is there, put hash, replace hash with equal to sign and replace all. 12 entries are replaced. So you can see data is moved from columns into rows. There is another method to do it, that is using transport function. Okay, and one more thing, this first method is dynamic method, means let's say if any age is changed, let's say I will change the age of 20 Saad from 23 to 24, it will be updated here in the table. So it is dynamic. If there will be any change in this table, the data will be automatically changed here. So this is dynamic if you use the method one. Okay, method two, we will use the transport function, equal to transport. Sorry, it is not transport, it is transpose. Okay, transpose, select the array, all the data without the headings. Okay, bracket is closed, and do not press enter here. Press control shift enter. You can see this written in the red, control shift enter, control shift and enter. It picked the data and then name Ali. Now we will drag it to other cells here. Okay, select the cell. You can see it is showing garbage right now. Don't worry, go to this formula bar, click here, and again press Control Shift Enter. So it will refresh the values. Control Shift Enter. Now you can say it has picked all the names, then drop down for the ages. Now again it puts some it gets some garbage value. Don't worry, click again on the formula bar and press Control Shift Enter. You can say, you can see now the data is properly transposed. Sorry, this is not transport, this is transpose. Let me correct it. Transpose. Okay, so it is moved from the columns to the rows, and this is also a dynamic data, means if the value will be changed here, let's say we change it from 18 to 20, automatically it will be updated in this column and in this column, sorry, row. Now method number three, this method is a static. Here we will get the static data, means when we will bring this data from columns into rows, if there will be any change in here in this table left hand side, it will not be updated here. But this is very simple method. Select the data which you want to transpose, right click, copy, come here, select that cell number 1, click, then right click, paste special, click the option paste special, and in this window do not change anything, just this last option, transpose, check this button. Okay, now you can see data is transposed from this table to here. But let's see, we will change something here from 20 to 30. It will, it is updated in these two tables, but it is not updated here because this is a copy of data, so it is static, not dynamic. Thank you for watching the video.